Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of updating Safari on your Mac. Keeping Safari up to date ensures better performance, enhanced security, and access to the latest features. Let's get started. Step 1. Click the Apple menu. In the top left corner of your screen, click the Apple logo to open the drop-down menu. Step 2. Select System Settings or System Preferences. Depending on your macOS version, choose System Settings for macOS Ventura and later, or System Preferences for earlier versions. Step 3. Go to General and click on Software Update. In the left sidebar, click on General, then select Software Update. On older systems, you may see Software Update directly in the main System Preferences window. Step 4. Check for updates. Your Mac will now check for available updates. If an update for Safari is available, it will appear here. Safari updates are included in macOS updates, so you may see an update labeled with the macOS version. Step 5. Click Update Now or Upgrade Now. Click Update Now to install the latest Safari version. If you see Upgrade Now, that means a major macOS version is available, which will also include the newest Safari. Step 6. Wait for the update to complete. The update may take several minutes. Your Mac may restart during the process. Be sure to save any work before proceeding. Step 7. Confirm the update. Once your Mac restarts, open Safari and click Safari in the top menu bar, then select About Safari. A small window will appear showing the version number, confirming the update was successful, and that's it. Safari is now up to date on your Mac. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.